You should give me a heads up about Bobby taking over Luanne's books. I brought this to the club. It's my action.
Bobby needs it.
Hey, bro.
Hey,
How's it going?
well, I thought this was gonna be a cush gig, but Luanne's accounts are a mess. Missing receivables, vendor files.
Guess her expertise lies in other areas.
You okay with this? I know Clay made the call without you.
It's good. It's good you're here, man.
Well, I know I can be of some help. I don't know what kind of system she had.
Well, let me know if you need anything.
Yeah.
You pulling me off the set
Did
doesn't
you
help.
know that my old man was a bookkeeper for the mob in Reno?
Jesus Christ, I'm in the middle.
Italians paid him a lot of money. You know why? Handled 2 sets of books. Twice the work, twice the risk. Been running a skim since the very beginning. By my calculations, you've been cutting us light for 6 years.
Otto gave me this business. Club's the reason he's in jail.
Well, you can justify it however you want. But you stole from us.
What do you want me to do?
It's a club decision now.
No. Please, Bobby.
No,
I'll pay back every dime. Just take it out of my cut. Club gets paid back. We don't break Otto's heart.
I don't think I can do that.
You ever see any of my movies?
No.
You know what my specialty was?
Look, Luanne. You're Otto's old lady.
Yeah.
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 But there's a prison clause.
No.